'Tis the season to be jolly, and nothing makes us jollier than the Chalkmade Christmas Countdown Kit. It's so easy to make and even easier to enjoy with a magnetic wreath that will have you feeling festive from the 1st to the 25th. This kit comes with everything you need to make a fun and festive Christmas countdown. It includes the exclusive Christmas Advent Transfer, a custom-shaped house box frame, a mini squeegee, 3 paste singles in the colors Pesto, Black Velvet, and Candy Apple, 3 color trays, and a magnetic wreath. Alright, I've got all my supplies, so let's jump in. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my transfer. I'll do that by removing the backer and sticking the transfer down on my fuzzing cloth. This picks up a little bit of lint and helps ease the adhesive on a news transfer. Now let's place it on my box frame. A quick tip for centering this transfer is to line it up with the bottom of the box frame. Then just smooth it out so there are no bubbles or wrinkles. Great, let's prep the paste singles. I'm prepping my candy apple paste by kneading it to make sure it's well mixed. Then I'll just cut open the packet and squeeze some into my color tray. I'll do the same with Black Velvet and Pesto. Now we are ready to get chalking, and guys, this project is so simple. I'm loading up my mini squeegee with a little candy apple paste. I'll be using that to chalk Countdown and Christmas. Once that's covered, I'll go back in with black to chalk too. And then let's use Pesto on those little pine details. Perfect! Since I've covered the top portion, I don't want that to dry in the screen, so I'm going to use our chalk and pull technique by peeling the transfer back just past the portion that I've chalked, giving me more time to work. Now I'm ready to keep chalking. I'm just using Black Velvet to cover all of the numbers. So let's get that covered and remove all the excess paste, and we're good to go. Time to peel to reveal. It turned out flawless, but don't forget the wreath. It clips to the back with a magnet so you can count your way down to Christmas in Chalkmade kit style. This kit is the Christmas gift that keeps on giving. Make it once and pull it out every year for a memory-building piece your whole family will love. Happy chalking!